Hi, my name is Tracy Trubovich. My banner ID number is 01815757, and I have not collaborated with any other live person to make this video. Okay, we're dealing with two variables here, age and gender. Aside from that, concerning our other data, we have overall GPA, we have the degree of the student, whether or not they use the Writing Center as a resource, their final grade in the writing course, and the city that they live in. Okay, so going back to age and gender, we're going to decide whether they're quantitative or categorical. Age is going to be quantitative, and that is because it contains numerical values. Gender is going to be categorical because you can place a male or female into a category. As we move through this video, we're going to talk about the 5-number summary, the mean, median, and mode, the different types of graphs that we'll be using to look at our different variables, age and gender, and then what is best to understand our data. As you can see, the summary statistics for age, the mode is 20, the median is 24, and the mean is 28.36. Okay, so we have the mode, the median, and the mean. The mode is the number that comes up the most in the data. The median is the number in the middle of the data, and the mean is all of the data added up divided by 2. In this case, we would use the mode as the central tendency that would best describe this data, and that is because the 20-year-olds came up the most, therefore influencing this data the most. Okay, here is your bar plot for gender. Okay, and then we have a pie chart for gender. The pie graph is easier to understand because gender is categorical. Therefore, it works better in a pie chart rather than a bar graph. The bar graph would be better use with quantitative variables rather than categorical. And here we have the summary statistics for age. We have the max at 90 in order: quartile 3, 33, median 24, quartile 1, 21, and the minimum of 3. Okay, and here we have the dot plot for age, this being unimodal, I would say, and also skewed to the right, the age below here. All right, and here we have our box plot. As you can see, here's our highest and here's our lowest, with most of our data lying between the age of 20 and 40. Okay, and finally we have our stem and leaf plot, which is overwhelming with numbers. As you can see, we obviously have a lot of data. This would not be efficient in looking at the data and trying to figure out what you were looking for. There's way too many numbers in here. Okay, so just to bring it all together, I showed you the dot plot, the box plot, and the stem and leaf graph. I would definitely go with the dot plot to best describe the variable age with this data. Not only is it visually pleasing to the eye, but it also shows the mode. And that is what I originally stated in the beginning of this video. Assignment: that the mode best describes the variable age. Thanks.